Hello, everyone. Welcome to Tenorshare. If your iPad is locked by MDM, it may prevent the device from completing setup when you reset your iPad, and it will restrict you from installing apps or accessing features like settings. Don't worry, we've got solutions to help you bypass or remove the mobile device management on your iPad. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check with the organization. If the iPad belongs to a company or school, contact the administrator who manages the MDM. They can provide credentials or remove the profile for you. Go to Settings, General, VPN and Device Management. Tap on the MDM profile and select Remove Profile. Solution 2. Use Tenorshare for UK. If you don't have access to the credentials, you can use Tenorshare for UK to bypass the MDM restrictions. This is a reliable third-party tool designed for situations like this. You can find the download link for it in the video description below. Install and launch Tenorshare for UK on your computer. Then connect your iPad to your computer. Select the option for Bypass MDM. Clicking Start will initiate the bypass process, which completes quickly. Once done, your iPad will no longer be restricted by MDM, allowing you to set it up and use it freely. This completes the removal of device management from your iPad. Then you can happily start using your iPad. Solution 3. Reset the iPad using iTunes. If the MDM profile was added manually and isn't deeply embedded, a factory reset might remove it. Connect your iPad to a computer and open iTunes or Finder. Then put the iPad into recovery mode. Press volume up, then volume down, and finally press and hold the power button until recovery mode appears. In iTunes/Finder, choose Restore to erase the iPad. Then wait for iTunes to finish downloading the firmware that will reset your iPad. After the iPad reboots, you can set it up. If the MDM profile persists after restoring your iPad, you can try Solution 2 using Tenorshare for UK to bypass the restriction effectively. Notes: if your iPad is managed via Apple Business Manager or School Manager, some of the solutions may not work as the management is server-based. For such devices, contacting the organization is recommended. Okay, so those are the 3 ways to remove iPad remote management. I hope the method in the video can help you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.